In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove password from a PDF file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove password from a PDF file, go to your browser and in search type unlock PDF. Now hit enter. Here you will find the first link I love PDF, and you will find here unlock PDF file, remove PDF password. Click on this link and here click on select a PDF file. I am selecting this PDF file and this PDF is password protected. I am going to check. Go to File Explorer. This is the BB protected. Right click on it and click on open. And look, the PDF file is password protected. You need to enter password to open this file. Now click on cancel. Click on select a PDF file and I'm going to select the protected PDF and then click on open, and you will find here on lower right corner unlock PDF option. Click on unlock PDF, unlocking PDF, type the password of this PDF and then click on send. Now click on download unlock PDF and unlocked PDF is downloaded. Now I'm going to check. This one is the unlocked PDF. I'm going to open it. Look, the PDF document is opened without requiring the password. This is the easiest way to remove password from a PDF file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.